Hi friends, it's a beautiful day, good weather, good surroundings. Any person would feel like enjoying this moment, savoring a cup of tea or coffee with a plate of hot pakoras, right? But unfortunately, there are few among us who are just not able to react to their surroundings. They're not able to enjoy these small things or rather even big things in their life. Yes, today we'll be talking about depression and its symptoms. With this depression, though it is one of the most common psychiatric illnesses, is one of the most underdiagnosed and undertreated medical illness. Depression. When it comes to depression, we often hear dialogues like, "Hey man, it's all in your head. Don't be a spoil sport. Just go and chill with your friends. Why are you being so weak and just telling you're having depression and stuff? Everything will be fine. Just give it time." But do you think depression is so simple? Do we go and tell a person with heart disease or diabetes that you have to just go out and chill with friends? No, right? Depression, like any of other medical illnesses, is very much biological. How do we recognize if a person has depression? There are few symptoms and signs which may help us in diagnosing a person has depression, or rather even suspecting a person has depression and refer that person to psychiatrist so that he can do his job in diagnosing the depression. A person may just kind of feel low entire day. There may be no particular reason as to why that person is feeling low. The person is just sad. That person may not able to explain as to why he or she is sad. A person may just lose interest in everything that he loved doing. The person who used to love going out and watch movies, would love go and playing favorite sport, is just not feeling the same anymore, just not feeling like doing it anymore, just not being able to enjoy the same things anymore. He or she may feel just tired entire day, physically, emotionally, and even cognitively. Maybe even tired of his own thoughts. A person may have sleepless nights, not able to eat properly. Also having early morning awakenings, even while getting up the thoughts like, should I even get up out of this bed? What should I do? Why should I do? Is this life even worth living? Should I commit suicide? There are so many options available. Should I even try it? Am I even worthy of death? I'm such a worthless person. I just can't achieve anything in life. Even a past achievement would have felt like, this is nothing. This can happen, guys, in depression. Person will feel very helpless. I am just all alone in this world trying to fight this cruel world. There's no one for me. He may also feel very guilty. Did I do something very bad? Why am I suffering like this? I'm not able to understand what is happening to me. Person may feel hopeless. There's nothing good will happen to me ever. Okay? A person may even end up committing suicide. Yes. And coming to children and elderly, now do they present the same way? No. There are usual differences. Children may kind of have multiple aches and pains all over their body. They may refuse going to school. They may or even cling to their caregivers, just not leave them. Or they will be very irritable. Irritability is very common in children. They may just be angry all the time. This may be a sign of depression. Even elderly, they are often presenting with different aches and pains, and it's very common for us to ignore these people, telling, oh, aches and pains are very much common in your age, why should we even bother about it? And even when the person says I'm low, you might just ignore, telling like, you're not doing anything worthy in your life, obviously you will feel low. But no, it's a very treatable depression. I said all these things, but sometimes there are some atypical presentations, like a person may just eat a lot, just be very lazy and sleep entire day. Even this can happen. Now, what I want you guys to do, so you have now learned the symptoms and signs of depression. So just look around. If you feel any of your dear ones have any of these symptoms, just tell them, help is always available. Give a helping hand. Tell them that there are many psychiatrists available nearby. You can go and visit them. And just check, if something is wrong, because it's treatable, it's always worth the effort, right? So just feel free to share this link of this video and even share the content of this video to others, and let us all get together and help in increasing awareness about the mental health. In my coming videos, I'll be covering about why depression happens and different treatment options available for depression. Also, I'll be covering in my later videos about other common psychiatric illnesses. Thank you. Have a great day.